Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. I'm Rebecca. Today we went to 3 different Dollar Tree stores in the DFW area to see what was new and what was restocked at the Dollar Tree stores in our area. And I combined them all into one video for y'all. So let's go shopping and see what is new for this part of the week. For apparel and accessories, we have a bunch of the Snuggadoo fluffy socks. They had lots of pastel colors coming out. I noticed there was a lot of gray, light blue, there was the mint green and pink, quite a few different ones there. Then there was the 4-pack of ped socks, which fit shoe size 4 to 10. Also these little purses that are usually out in the springtime. I'm sure the little hats will be sure to follow very soon. And the one store had out some t-shirts. It's been a while since we've actually seen the $1.25 shirts, and not all stores carry these, and as of late hardly any of them had any shirts at all. So I was surprised to see the one store actually put some t-shirts out. Over in the arts and crafts, they have these wood palette DIY signs. They have the round ones and the square or rectangles in the natural wood, white and black. They also have their mini crates with the laser cutouts in the front and on the back. There's quite a few different designs that you could purchase. You can see they're the same size crates as the small pallet crates that they carry for the $1.25. Just some different decorations on the front and the back, and the sides are a solid piece of wood. They also had a bunch of these little house-shaped cutouts that are very thin pieces of wood with the words love, family, gather, and home. You can see each one is a little bit different design than the next, but the lettering is pretty similar throughout each one. They look like a stencil. They also had these ceramic tags. They had a house shape, a butterfly. There was one that looked like a gift tag and a circle. And these are all the ones without the glaze on them, so you can paint them any way you like and not have to worry about the finish. Their boho craft kit, they had these out last year. There's 12 pieces with the felt that make some flowers. Also, their pom-pom makers were out, and they brought back the bumblebee fabric squares or fabric rolls. These are like 18 by 21 inches. There's the buffalo plaid, some honeycomb, a lot of different bumblebee hives. There's also the sunflowers. They have their black and yellow wired ribbon. There's the stripes, the polka dots, and the solid yellow. They have their garden decor wooden craft picks. They had these out last year as well. There's the flowers. There's like 2 different flowers, and then there's the leaves and a butterfly. This is the side, so you guys can see how thick they are from this side. They are layered with some 3D effects. This is the one flower. It's kind of like a daisy, the spiral in the middle and the butterfly, and the other flower is a tulip. For the baby and toddler items this week, they had the baby booties with the rattles on the toe. It's been a while since they've had these out. There was the baseball, the monster trucks. There's also some butterflies and these adorable little teddy bear rattles. It's so cute. Looks like it's a pink pair of shoes with the teddy bear on the top. For the health and beauty, we'll first look to see what's new in the cosmetics. They had these blender sponges. You get 2 in the pack, and they had them in the color red or the color orange. They also had the 3-pack of the beauty blenders that are heart shaped. They had them in pink or blue hearts, and the makeup remover pads. You get those in a 2-pack in the pink and blue. These are the eyebrow, lash, and brow groomer kit. There's like tweezers and combs. The tinted lip balm with the flower inside. It's color changing by Be Pure. There's also the floral lip gloss. Those also have the little flowers inside. For the hair care this week, they had these really pretty scrunchies out with this floral pattern. And it's like a really pretty yellow with some white background and light pink flowers. It has a matching headband. They also had one that was like a purple and yellow, and that also was a scrunchie with the ribbon, and you could get the matching headband to go with it. The headband is like a braided style across the top. These are just some close-ups. You can see the color of the fabric on the headband and the scrunchies. You can see there how it's braided across the top. They also had these floral elastic scrunchies with the blue and sage green, or the light pink with the sage green. You can get these 4-pack of mini scrunchies in the light pastels. They also have them with the satin fabric in the 4-pack, and those are on the green cards. And then for the pharmacy and personal care section, we had these long loofah sponges for the bath. They had some that look like popsicles. There is this one with the 3 different colors, pink, white, and green. And then one that looks like watermelon. They also had these sponges in with the 4 different color stripes. And there's a view from the side so you can see how big those are. Also some hair and body mist. There was beach rose and aloe, mango, hibiscus flower, the coconut water vanilla, which is the blue one, and the white chamomile orchid, which is the purple one. For fun finds this week, they had a bunch of these car hooks. You get these in a 2-pack. These are to put on the back of the seat so you can hang like your purses or bags. They had the hearts, the stars, the 2-pack of the lemon. And then there were the rainbows. They had some fidget style spinners. These are the fidget spin toy. You can actually connect other fidgets to it. It's adjustable, so you can add more of those little pieces on the ends. They had those in a couple different colors for home decor. A lot of the stores have been carrying these little trays, which are so fun. They've got the oval and the circle. They have these colorful vases in the green, orange, and pink. And these candle holders with the glossy finish. They had those in the white, the black, and the gray. And then these wire photo holders with the clips. It has the holes at the top so you can add the hanger to help hang them up. And they have those in the black and the white wire. They also had these wall hooks, which are so pretty with the galvanized metal on the front. They have the word love and gather. And then the word hello with the flowers at the top. These are the key holders that they have out with this cute little picket fence. It spells out the word love and home. And now for the home library, office supplies, and teaching tree section. Really not a whole lot new there. They had these journals that have either the dotted or the lined paper. Just depends on which book you choose. They all have a different design on the front and the elastic strap on the side to help hold the booklet closed. And now for the housewares, home maintenance, storage, and organization. Really not a whole lot new there either. They had more of the boxes with the floral cutouts on the side. We saw the light pink one, I believe it was last week. They also had some gray, peach, and a very light blue. I only saw the larger rectangles and the ones without the cuts in the side, or the large round bins, and those ones I only found in the pink and the really light pale. It's almost like a mint green color. Also, they had these Jelly Belly air fresheners for the car. There was like Island Punch, Tutti Frutti, and then the orange one there. For the kitchen and pantry section, they had some ceramic magnets that say like faith and love, faith, hope, and love. This one here that says let grace abound has a bunch of different flowers on the background. The cross says like blessed, incredibly grateful, and thankful. There's the gather here with grateful hearts and butterflies. Love never fails with all the floral. And then they had these large boxes of cereal. There was the chocolate peanut butter checks and the corn checks, which were all gluten-free. Those are the 12-ounce boxes. And they had the General Mills Hot Wheels cereal. Also, the 50 count of these paper liners for the air fryers. Those are 8 inches around. They also had the 5-pack of the reusable veggie bags by Natural Home. There's actually a couple different size bags, and they all fit into the larger bag as a carrier. For the party supplies this week, we have this shaped ribbon banner. It is 7 feet long, and it looks like a unicorn with the little flowers on the top and some gold accents. It spells out the word baby shower. They have these 2 table covers restocked with the shiny finish, and then the paper lanterns in the solid colors. There is blue, green, orange. They also have the solid pink and purple. Now, these ones do not light up. They have them in all those fun different colors. They also had yellow. Then there were the little miniature pails for like the tables for snacks and things. They had those in the pastel colors for spring and more of their Super Bowl items. There's the food trays that look like footballs or the field. They had some favor boxes. I believe you get 5 in that pack there. They had some confetti for the table and then the football plates. These are the large platters. You get 6 plates in the pack for the $1.25, and they're 12 inches by 10 inches. Also, the little picks for the food, like cupcakes and things. Then for the pet care, they had the pet puzzles to put like snacks and things in. You can get them in 2 different colors, either the green or the orange. And then these toys here that have the crinkly sounding paper inside. They had the Sherpa on the back and the animal print on the front. For the seasonal items for Valentine's Day, we have these heart-shaped measuring cups. They had them in pink and in red. They also had some of the decorations. These are similar to ones they had out last year. There's the large envelopes that have the hearts inside. They're made out of that particle board. Just all lots of like pinks and reds, a little bit of white, all with the buffalo plaid. And then they had the miniature little galvanized metal envelopes. They had those in the silver, pink with the red heart, and the red with a pink heart and a bow. Some tinsel wreaths that look like hearts all around in the circle there. You can get the all red or the pink and red. They also had some bath bombs that are cotton candy scent and strawberry scented. Those are the Hershey Kisses or just the regular heart-shaped bath bomb. For the seasonal Easter items, they had these picks that look like the bunny tails. They have them in pink and in blue. The 4-pack of the larger twine carrots. They had the large ones out last year as well. And some books for the little ones. There was the Springtime Friends, the Easter Egg Hunt. These are those thick cardboard paged books for real little ones. They had the book that says Hello Easter and bunnies everywhere. And here's a view of the inside. You can see what the pages kind of look like. They have the DIY wooden Easter eggs and the bunnies, which are always very popular to craft with. Also, the wreath frames. They have the bunny ears. You can see here it's just a round wreath frame with the bunny ears at the top. There's also the carrot, and they had the Easter egg. For the seasonal St. Patrick's Day items, they had these little gnomes with their really long legs that are basically like a little critter to sit on the shelf. They all are dressed in their St. Patty's Day wear with their shamrocks and their horseshoes. Here's their little feet and legs dangling down with their striped legs. They had these tabletop decor horseshoes in the white and in the natural wood that say Happy St. Patrick's Day and Welcome. The DIY shamrock and the shamrock wreath with the banner across the front. They also had the wreath frame that looks like a shamrock that you can decorate, and the Happy St. Patrick's Day camper that says welcome, and the truck that says good luck. They also had some of the deco mesh out for the shamrock wreath or other wreaths that you would like to make. They had the rainbows, one that was all gold. They had the different shades of green, also the dark green with the gold stripes through the middle, or you could get the white with the green stripes that had very fine little pieces of gold kind of woven throughout. For the seasonal spring items, they brought back these garden planners they had out the last 2 years that are white, yellow, and black, which kind of goes with that bumblebee theme, which is really popular in early springtime. There's also these garden solar stake lights. You can get the canister looking lights in either the black or the silver. And you just pull the stake out from the bottom. It gets a little bit longer there. It's just the way it's stored in the bottom, but here's what they look like together. They also had more of their garden fencing. There was the all white and the solid black, and keep your eye out because this year they also have one that has a gold finish. These are some yard stakes that are extra large flowers. These are some wind chimes with the gnomes with all of the springtime flowers. They have like pink, purple, a light blue, like garden tools and flowers. For the toys and games, we have these little things called cutie curls. They're these tiny little dolls and they're adorable. They have this one here with the brown curly hair. There's also the one with the dark brown hair. And then the blonde wearing her little ballerina outfit. Also one with pink hair. And then there was the orange. And then they all have this clip at the top. So they can be hung on like a bag or a backpack. There were these princess tiaras with rhinestones. It comes with 2 little earrings to match. They had the blue heart, the purple with the stars. There's one that looks like a butterfly. And then here are the earrings that would match the butterfly. The Dollar Tree Plus section, we have these large fluffy pillows in this very pale pink and light gray. These are $5 each. They also had these extra large round pillows, and these also were $5. There's a very soft pale pink. They had a very light teal blue and gray. And then I was excited to see they brought back these trays that are the DIY heart-shaped trays. These are $5 each. They also have these really pretty door hangers with the hearts, which has the raffia bow over in the corner. These are $5 each. They have them in the red or the white. And then this sign here that says loved and one that says blessed. It has the galvanized metal hearts hanging down at the bottom. The triple hearts here, these are $3 each. They have them in the light wood or the all white. And then we have the DIY bunny trays. There's the bunny trail, hop this way, and happy Easter tray. These are $5 each. Also the faux turf table runner, those are $5. The $3 basket with all the Easter eggs in the large Easter egg. These are some DIY tabletop games. There's the bunnies with the carrots or the bunny heads with the Easter eggs. All of the pieces you can DIY and decorate however you like. And there is the price on the back and the sizing down at the bottom on the tag. Then they had these really pretty bunnies and little lambs that look like a tie-dye color scheme. They have really pretty like light pink and purple and blue. They have a little bit of shiny like glitter on them in silver and gold. These are some large garden stakes for $5, a lot larger than the ones that are $1.25. They have quite a few different flowers there in that set. And then I found some more of the metal bird houses. These are also $5 this year. They had a couple different ones out. And that's all for today's video. Thank you all so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I hope to see you back here next time. Have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you then.